बीआरएस का तेलंगाना सीएम रेवंत रेड्डी पर बड़ा आरोप लगा है। घोटाले का आरोप लगा है। ईडी से भी की है शिकायत। बीआरएस प्रवक्ता कृष्णांक का बड़ा बयान आया है, सामने सुनिए।
Shoda Constructions belongs to CM Revant's brother-in-law Sujan Reddy, a company which had a financial of only income of 7 lakhs in 2022, but since 2024, when Congress and Revant government was formed in Telangana, this company initially got 1,137 crores of Amrut tenders, and very recently CM Revant's government has gifted his own brother-in-law's company the Singareni mining contract of around 150 crores and also Dindi lift irrigation contracts of 365 crores. Earlier, BRS working president KTR came and lodged a complaint with the union minister that how such a small company which has only 7 lakhs of financials is been getting such huge thousands of crores in the union urban development ministry, and now these Singareni contract and at the same time Dindi lift irrigation contract. Simultaneously, KLSR Infratech is a company when CM Revant was earlier PCC president and Congress MP used to have a car which was registered on KLSR Infratech company. Now the same company which earlier ED has raided both CM Revant and KLSR Infratech over business relationships, the same company has got 3 contracts, irrigation contracts in Revant's government to the tune of 750 crores, and very recently in the NCLAT case, Honorable Justice has stepped down citing that he was pressurized, approached by a senior judge to give a favorable order, which happens to be the same case of KLSR Infratech. So these kind of misuse of office by CM Revant with his relationship business ties with Shoda Constructions, his brother-in-law's company, and at the same time his friend's company KLSR Infratech should be investigated by the Information Enforcement Directorate. Why is the BJP in center silent about this? Today we have lodged a complaint and have given the necessary evidences to the ED, Director ED at the New Delhi.